Oh yeah. Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at a brand new product from Amsoil, but it has nothing to do with oil. It is their new car care line, and this is going to be their ceramic spray. Let's do it. So what do you know? About a year ago, you guys, I became an Amsoil independent dealer. I've been using Amsoil products for a very long time. I decided to become a dealer, and what do you know? A few months later, they dropped some detailing products. Coincidence? Yeah, probably, because they didn't reach out to me at all. I have nothing to do with these detailing products. But I was excited when I see these because I know they've always had like glass cleaners, and they've had like the it's an aerosol car wash. I haven't tried any of those because I'm not really into the aerosol type of that type of stuff. But when I saw their new liquid line, it got my attention completely because they claim up to 12 months worth of protection out of this product. It is a spray on, wipe off type product. You can use it as a drying aid also. To me, it kind of smells, that's the worst part of it. Kind of smells like an old man's cologne, best way that I can explain it. But it works so well. It flashes fast. You're not going to have to really worry about any streaking at all. It says extreme hydrophobicity. I don't know anything about that yet. I have been testing it, but I have not tested the hydrophobics of it yet. We will do that in this video because I did take a video when I washed this brand new Blazer, electric Blazer. It's 2024. It's brand new with only 200 miles on it. I took a video of the hood so you guys can see there was no protection on it. It is just straight sheeting. I have prepped the surface. I clayed it, I polished it, and then I used a panel prep, and it's ready to receive this product. But I do want to show you the other products in their line. I do love the color of this. I love the labeling. I think they knocked it out of the park when it comes to the labeling. And then another product they did was their interior detailer. They have this as a non-scented, in case you're the one that doesn't like scented, or scented. I went for the lemon scent. As you guys can see, I have been using it. Very good. Works very, very well. And I do like the backgrounds. Like this one has water droplets on it for the ceramic spray. This one has like your vents from your dashboard on it. And then the next product, they launched 3, is their high foam car shampoo. Now, do they make their own detailing products? I doubt it. I'm sure they go to a blender. This reminds me of Adam's car shampoo because I have Adam's car shampoo. Same color, same scent, same foam, same feel, same everything. So are these B&B blending products? Probably, but I cannot tell you 100% actually who makes these products. But I can tell you that the ones that these 3, I've tested all of them. They all work really well, which is what I expect from Amsoil. Anything that they do, they always do top notch, top of the line. It says it contains the latest SI2 ceramic technology designed with extreme hydrophobicity to repel water, enhances gloss, reduces water spotting, and cuts your drying time. Protects painted and plastic surfaces against the elements for up to 12 months with a simple spray-on, wipe-off application. Easy application, requires no cure time. That's interesting. Sheds water rapidly, protects against UV rays. So if you decide you want to check out the Amsoil ceramic spray or the interior or the soap, I will put links down in the description of the video where you guys can find these products. If you're not already an Amsoil customer, you can sign up to be my preferred customer. And then you can get a discount on these because it's $19.99 if you're not a preferred customer, which you can buy directly from my website for $19.99. Or if you're a preferred customer, it's $14.99 and then it's $9.99 for the other 2 products right there. If you are already, I have flies in here. I've had the doors open. If you are already a preferred customer and you already have a dealer, you go through your dealer. You don't buy through me. Go through your dealer to check it out. You won't be disappointed in any of these. All 3 of them are great. I've had 0 issues with any of them. Let me show you guys what the ceramic spray does. All right, so we're going to start off on this side of the hood. You need a good plush towel. These are auto fiber towels. I do sell these on my website. I'll put a link in the description also where you guys can pick these up. Anytime you're using a detail spray, you want a nice plush towel. All we're going to do, we're going to do a couple, 2 to 3 sprays. We're going to do half of this side of the hood right here. And hopefully you guys will be able to see by the video how quickly, and I like to do swooping sprays, how quickly this flashes. I mean, it's pretty much instant like that. I mean, it's like it's gone already. And it's so slick when you get done. As you guys can see, super, super slick. I mean, it couldn't be any simpler than that right there. So I like to do like this instead of just spraying in one spot. That's how I use detail sprays and spray waxes. Like, I mean, it's so quick. And if it really lasts a year, which honestly, I doubt. I usually don't listen to manufacturers' recommendations on durability. But let's say you get 4 to 6 months out of a product that's that simple to use, I think that's a winner. But I can't tell you how long it's going to last because I have not had this long enough to tell you. So I'm going to put you guys close here so you guys can see. Like that. I mean, I really don't even look like I even need to turn it over to buff it off. But I always like to, just to be safe. Now, as you saturate the one side of the towel, you need to flip it to a new side. When you start saturating towels, that's when you do get streaking. Now, this is the charge port, so I'm trying to not let it open. Hopefully it doesn't. I mean, really, it's so simple. So we'll just leave the camera going and go in real time here, so you guys can see how quickly you can get a car done. It just feels amazing when you flip that towel over. Oops, got on the handles. When you flip it over right there, it feels so good. Hopefully I'm not messing the microphone up too bad. So this is a brand new 2024 Blazer, customer of mine. This paint was really bad. I was really surprised that they'd let it go looking like that, but I just don't think dealerships really care anymore. That's it. Now we can take it over the plastic like it says. Brian's out of shape. Whew. The other thing you can do, your piano black plastic. Now I don't spray directly on piano black. I spray one spray into my towel and then I lightly, like I'm barely even touching it. Just enough to get the wax or the spray sealant, whatever you want to call it, on the surface. And there's some up here too. That's it. I already did the other half of the car before I turned the camera on. This is definitely a different type of color. Looks so good. Is it adding gloss? I can't tell you because I jeweled this paint with DIY's gold standard and their jeweling pad with a rotary. So it's already super glossy. So I cannot tell you if it's actually enhancing the gloss. The car looks fantastic. Let me go ahead and take it outside. We'll do a water test on it. So let me go ahead and give you guys a quick glance what it looks like outside. I am not done with it yet, by the way. Hood looks amazing. I don't want it to be out here very long though. Nothing like detailing and then having to do all this work all over again. So here's what it looked like when I got done washing it. Okay, so now that you've seen what it looked like when I got done washing it, we're gonna go ahead and spray water on it. I'm going to use the ceramic spray as my drying aid because I do not want to dry wipe this car I just worked all this time on. Here we go. I'm curious what this is gonna be like. They claim 12 months of durability, so this thing should be extremely hydrophobic, but let's just see. Oh yeah. Definitely. Ooh, okay. And this is instant. This is like 10 minutes after I got done. Probably not even 10 minutes. Let me show you guys that. Nice and uniform, these beads are. And it sheets off when it gets too much on it. Do it on the front here. Yep. It looks awesome. Let's go ahead and just do it on this side. You guys, that's awesome. That works extremely well. Looks so nice. Gosh, I love a good beading product. I know it's not what you really want. Like I said, there's nothing like doing a full detail and then getting the car wet before your customer comes and picks it up. The things we do for YouTube. Tell me you guys what you think of those hydrophobics, the hydrophobicity. I mean, the bottle says it's very hydrophobic. Well, guess what? The bottle was not lying. But I don't ever expect it out of Amsoil because I know how great their oils are. Now, that's a highly debated topic, especially on YouTube, just like everything else on YouTube. Very highly debated topic is how great Amsoil oil actually is. But guess what? They weren't lying about this. As far as how easy it is to use and being very hydrophobic. Not lying at all. I mean, that looks like a fresh ceramic coating. If I was to buy that product, which I did buy the product, but as a consumer, because they don't send me anything, trust me, I'd be very happy with that. Like, you can do the whole car in about 10, 15 minutes as far as using the detail spray on it. And if you get that type of protection, like I said, if you get 4 to 6 months, I'd be through the roof happy. Especially for a product that's only 20 bucks or $15 if you're a preferred customer. All right, so what did you guys think of the ceramic spray by Amsoil? I'll be 100% honest with you. I cannot tell you if it added gloss because this car was super glossy when I got done jeweling it. So I cannot tell you if it added any gloss at all. What I can tell you is it's super easy to use. Spray on, wipe off, flashes instantly, which is what you want in a detail spray. It's super hydrophobic. I've got more flies in here since I had the door open. Super hydrophobic. As you guys saw, the water beading, I love water beading, but if you really hit it with a strong pulse of water, it sheets really well also. Doubles as a drying aid. Spray it on, use your towel, feels nice and slick underneath the towel. It dries the car with one pass and keep going around. And as you do that, you're adding even more protection to it. And you're also making it safe to dry on your car instead of running a dry towel with water on it that's going to scratch. Now you're adding this. This is going to be your barrier between your drying towel and your paint so you don't scratch your paint. It's super slick underneath the towel. So once you spray it on, you wipe it. It's pretty much gone anyways. Flip the towel over, buff, and it is so slick underneath the towel. It just feels absolutely amazing. Once again, they claim 12 months of durability. I don't know, just got the product not too long ago. But if I get 4 to 6 months of a product that cost me $20, that's what it is at full price, $20, 4 to 6 months, and I can do a car in 10 minutes, that's a no-brainer. That I don't even think about when it comes to that because that's so simple to do. It takes you 10 minutes, you're done. If I get 4 to 6 months, I just have to do it twice in a year, and I'm happy, very happy with it. Don't care for the scent. Amsoil, you need to change that. Amsoil, if you're looking at doing any more detailing products, adding any more to your product catalog, get a hold of me. I'm big on scents. I can help you with the scents because the scent of this is not that great. If you decide you want to add a different type of detailing product, reach out to me. Dealer number is 559-7673. Reach out to me. Let's discuss it. Let's see what else we can bring to the Amsoil catalog. But yeah, you guys, 2 thumbs up on this product. Works great. The other 2 products are great too. I'll probably make videos on those in the future. The interior detailer works on anything on the interior, including your screens, navigation screens, your instrument clusters. It works really well. It doesn't stick around too long. It flashes quick. It's more of a UV protectant / detail spray versus a cleaner, if that makes sense. But it works really well. You don't have to wear anything. And then the soap works really good too. So all three products that they launched work exactly as they are intended to work. Once again, I'll put a link in the description under the video where you can find this product and you guys can go and you can check it out. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video and checking it out. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fat family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.